Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we have another special appearance by Luca because we're talking all about his nursery. I've been filming this video probably since September. I'm gonna do kind of like how we got here, the makeover process, what inspired his nursery, and then a tour. Basically, I was heavily inspired by this wallpaper that you see in the back, and I wanted to do a lot of like classic baby blue tones but with little horses, and then it turned out to be puppies as well. So I really like how it turned out. Let me know if you have any suggestions. It's still a work in progress, but I'll have everything that I mentioned linked down below, except for this cutie baby. He is not for sale, but look how cute he is. His little onesie is of the dancing fruits. If you know, you know. Look at that little scrunchie. And he's gonna go take a nap, hopefully. Anyway, let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm starting this very early, but this is what eventually will be baby boy's nursery. We will be doing a few like different decor things here, but before anything, I really want to organize this mess because this is where his closet is gonna be, and we clearly need the storage. So I want to take everything out. I want to start putting like what little clothes I found from Olivia's old pile, just like gender neutral stuff, and more things that like a boy could wear that's not like pink. I know it won't look like much, I still have to vacuum it, but I brought this in from Olivia's room. I need to clear out some of it, but I'm gonna use it as extra storage in the closet instead of rods. Some clothes, the majority I put in the drawers, but these are things that I've bought. I always pick up these when I see them at TJ Maxx and Marshall, so I had a few of those. This is my cousin's, this is my cousin's. Just saving it for her until I see her. He will be using Olivia's Kai Baby sleep sack. This room is still a mess, but started putting away more of Olivia's clothes. And I also organized all the onesies. This newborn is 0 to 3, 3 to 6, I think 6 to 9, and like over a year. We have this wallpaper that before I was even pregnant or knew I was a boy, but it works out. And I found this wainscot paneling from Home Depot for $18 a piece, which is a pretty good deal. We're trying to figure out which blue. The samples right here. Ideally, I would want the same tone as the wallpaper blue, but lighter. Dante is putting them on the wall with
compressor.
No, but what is the gun thing?
Nail gun?
The nail gun. LOL. We need like 2.5 basically to cover this whole thing, but since we have that weird corner, we're just gonna continue it. Oh, we kind of took the bed out. Dante is filling in the nail holes, but I like the fact that the bed is out of here. That way I can envision this as a nursery more so than before. Torn between keeping this white and painting that blue. If I could do it all over again, I would just do half wallpaper, half of this, but I'm not taking down that wallpaper, and I'm sure as heck not hiding it. This is what we're working with. Let's see how it goes. Have big plans for this room. No motivation to do any of it right now. Okay, y'all, this is where we ended up with the nursery. I love it so much. I'm gonna put on the screen what my inspo was, and I feel like I really got what I wanted, but it took quite a bit. I want to say it took like almost the entire time I was pregnant to get it to where it is. And it's still not 100% perfect, but I love it, and I feel like the first few months you barely use the nursery anyway, so I'm happy with it for now. But let me show you around. Because we have this wallpaper, I wanted the room to remain kind of chill and not too busy, but I wanted the horses, so I couldn't find the horses that I wanted anywhere as decals, so I ended up buying the horse wallpaper off Amazon. I'll link it below. It might look a little busy, but I think once I get a different sign, I'll rearrange some of them. This sign is from Temu. I think it's a little too small and not the best quality. It was like $4. Once I find a different sign, or maybe DIY one, I think it'll look much better, and then I can mess with the little horses. But I do love how it turned out. This crib is the same one that Olivia had, and we loved it. It's convertible. You can move this a bunch of different ways. And then it also has a changing table, which is my favorite part of this crib. You can see this used to be Olivia's, but I decided to keep that there. She loved it, so why not? That toy basket has a lot of the first year toys, as I like to call them. I don't want to mix them up with Olivia, so I thought I would keep them in the room. And this little thing is amazing for tummy time, and a little bit later on, and a little goose or duck or whatever that is. Over here I have a random basket full of toys, and his little rocking chair that I found at Goodwill. I thought was so cute. There are two major things that I want to change in this room eventually. The rug. This is like the most uncomfortable rug ever. It sheds. Did I say shreds? My god. As you can see, it's like the worst quality. It's from Target. Don't recommend. It goes with the room and we're not really using it a ton right now, so I thought, why not just put it here? The other thing that I want to change eventually is this glider. Pretty dirty. It doesn't wash or clean very well. I want one that has either an ottoman or like a footrest or something. I have one in mind. I'll link it below if you're in the market, but they don't want to spend the money on that right now. Like I said, we barely use the nursery until like they sleep through the night, so we won't use it anytime soon. So here I have that pillow from Anthropologie, the wallpaper that inspired this entire room before I even knew he was a boy or before I even knew I was pregnant, from Amazon. I love it. And then we have this little lamp, also Anthropologie. I got it on super clearance. Everything that's Anthropologie, just assume I got it like 70% off plus. This candle I found at TJ Maxx. This is from Temu. These from a boutique. And the stand is also Temu. And then I went to a toy store and I found his name. Olivia has the same looking one. And this is just a side table that we had. Like I said, it doesn't go super well with the room, but it's not a priority to change it right now. And then as soon as I said I wanted this to be like horse themed, I started shopping at Goodwill and I found this for $4. It's all messed up and he probably can't even sit on it, but I think it's so cute for the room, so I love it because I was gonna buy like a $200 one. These little shelves are also Amazon. They are scalloped and very cute, and I just have a few books on there. And then another major thing I guess that I forgot that I want to change is the dresser situation. These are two nightstands that were in our guest bedroom since we already have a changing table. One day we'll change it, we just don't need to right now. I just don't think it fits the vibe of the room that well with the rattan and the cane. Not the rattan, the cane. Just like the rug. I think these are a little too boho and it needs to be a little bit more classic. But until I find something at Goodwill, we're sticking to it. These are Amazon and they're holding like keepsakes and such. Inside, like his hospital stuff, his name sign, his little hat. And then this little doggy thing is also TJ Maxx. I'll try to find it for y'all. It smells real good. And I just have his little Polaroid pictures from a week old. So cute. A bunch of random decor. I have to take his newborn pictures and put them in there. I found this at Goodwill for like $3. It's so cute. This my best friend gave to me. I love that it has his name. That's why there was no point in showing you the nursery before he was born and before y'all knew the name, because it's literally everywhere. Then I got this from Anthropologie. I just thought it was cute. Olivia thinks it's a horse, but it's actually a dog, so I guess it goes with the theme. It's just a little bit more dark blue than I wanted it to be, but it's fine. A little L piggy bank from Temu. Then we have this little mirror from Anthropologie as well. This is TJ Maxx. Those are H&M. Do not recommend the H&M things. And then I DIY'd that Silva thing. I knew that we needed some sort of like darkening blackout curtain situation. And I saw these at Anthropologie. They were on clearance for super cheap. They're like embroidered little dogs. They go so well with the theme. So I had to grab them. They're like a light blue with the navy. So they like filter most of the light, which is perfect for what we wanted. I think they're so cute. And then to hold them, I have these type bags from Amazon. It's a little sun and the moon. I couldn't really find anything doggy or horse related for these, so I thought these were like perfect for a nursery. This little blanket ladder situation, this my grandma made for me and my brother. Mine is pink, his is blue, so this is my brother's. It's like a little blanket, so I'm saving it until I can find something to make with it, but I have it on display here. And then just another blanket, and this is wood. Found this little sign that I thought was precious. Olivia has a matching one. It's like a door hanging thing in his closet. I will not open that right now because it's a mess. I wasn't really gonna show you all the closet because it's such a mess, but I'll show it anyway. I'm very proud because I've thrifted probably 90% of his clothes, and I have like a lot of bigger sizes too. I have these dividers here. As you can see, I just really need to organize it. I also have this from Amazon. I'll link it. It was used for Olivia's toys for a while when she was younger. A few extra toys. This mat from H&M. This is like clothes that he can use when he's older. This is 0 to I think 6 months. And then I have to do a ton of organizing. So follow me on Poshmark if you want some of his clothes, because dear lord. And I got these little plastic horses from Temu to hang like towels or whatever. I like them. I don't think they're like the best quality, but they were $3. That's it, y'all. I mean, I think as he grows older, this will you know, be used a ton more. I can bring in more stuff like toys and things that are downstairs, maybe more seating. But for now, it's like the perfect little nursery for him, and I'm just so glad I got to design it just like how I wanted it. I just think it's adorable, and eventually, like, when he's older, this can grow with him. We can put like a big boy bed here and then move things around. But I do think the theme is very timeless. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any suggestions or anything like that. But I really hope you guys liked it. I love doing these little interior design and makeover videos when it comes to home stuff, so I'll link a few that we've done below, and our house renovation series too. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.